Hello guys, welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. I wanted to start a new series on the channel called Tell 'em About It Tuesday. I want to help other smaller channels grow, even bigger channels, just channels that I think you might enjoy watching. I'm going to throw them out there. I'm going to drop their name. I'm going to go to their channel. I'm going to show you a little clip that they have from their channel. I'd appreciate it if you go check them out. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe. Hit their bell notification. Watch a couple videos. Leave some comments. And if you would like to be in this series, go ahead and leave a comment on my video below, and I will randomly choose different channels to do in this series. But to start with, we're going to start with John and Tellu. And I hope I said his wife's name right, Tellu. They have about 150 subscribers. They are building their home themselves to be debt-free. And who doesn't want to be debt-free? That's something that the feeling has to be amazing to be debt-free. They also want to raise their family and be more self-sufficient. I did talk to them earlier this week, and they're working on their house. You'll have to go check out their videos, but they haven't got anything planted yet. They wanted to start with their fruit trees, and the rain has just put them off. They are in South Carolina.
I'm just hoping for the best, and I'm hoping that this can help you. Okay, so he's slipping and sliding. So he's going to try to back in, dump a little gravel there, and see if that helps it.
Here we are on the land, and today is an exciting day in my opinion.
What are we doing?
We are digging the footer, and it is that correct?
Yeah.
That's what we're doing, and that's, I feel like, the first big step towards a house.
Yeah.
Homestead DNA. Homestead DNA is a newer channel. They have, as of right now, I think they have right around 95 subscribers, something like that. They are in the Shed Wars this year. They moved from a HOA neighborhood to move out where they could go and be more self-sufficient. They do make comments about when they were in the HOA, they made illegal garden beds in their front yard because their backyard was shaded. But I'm going to show some clips. Go ahead and check them out. Go ahead, subscribe, hit that bell notification.
I'm Danny, and this is Amy, and we are Homestead DNA.
Bought a house. We were ready to dive in, but it was a house in an HOA, and we were frustrated there because it just seemed like anything that we wanted to do, there are lots of restrictions on it. One of the biggest things that we had issues with was being able to grow a garden. So we had to make illegal garden beds on the side of our yard.
Yeah, so HOA didn't stop us from doing anything.
We still
They
did
just
it.
didn't really like that we did, but
And that's the only way we've been able to grow anything there is.
All right, Shed Wars. The draft has ended. Homestead DNA was picked late in the second round by Arkansas Woodcutter. It's going to be a great pick for you this year. People don't know us, but they're going to get to know us because we're going to grow some food this year. We have a rock farm already. Food's really important. My dad said something pretty smart to me a long time ago, or a while back. He said, when it all falls down, I'll trade you all the gold that you have for a sandwich. Because in the end, there are a lot of things that we live for and a lot of reasons why we do the things that we do. But basic necessities in life like water and food are what it comes down to at the end. If you have those things, you're as free as you can be. I think teaching the world to grow food is teaching the world to be free.
Channel you should check out, I believe, is Swafford Homestead. Now, they were previously Brett and Cindy TN Living. They changed their name, but they do a lot of gardening. They live in a very small town. From what I hear, if you blink, you might miss it if you're driving through. But he has a older farmall tractor that I'm just in love with. You should go check them out. And they just feel like awesome people, just like good-hearted, wholesome people that just want to be self-sufficient and live their life. And go check them out.
Howdy, y'all. Welcome to the Swafford Homestead.
It's pretty weather today. Cold start up because I had to start it to get it out. It had flats. Had to work on the tires, but we're going to start it again. So I never started the 51 model. I got the fuel cut off. This is not a step through tractor, it's a climb on tractor.
With our weekly tomato picking. These are just a few that we're fixing to make us some tomato sauce out of.
Where'd that baby come from?
This little baby, he's a jet setter or a jet star.
I also wanted to throw the Vinyard Chicks in here. Now, they're a bigger channel than I am. They have over 1,000 subscribers, but they're not a huge channel. They have impressed me so much. They are 3 sisters that live on the vineyard, and they run a homestead within the vineyard. Their parents run the vineyard, they run the homestead, they do homeschooling. They are just very impressive. They are all joyful. I just love to watch them. They make me smile. They remind me of me when I was a child. I wish that I had that much property to run on when I was young. But you should check them out. They're very sweet. They have helpful gardening tips. They have goats and chickens, and they have some calves. You should go check them out. They give helpful hints and tips about raising their farm animals. Please go check out the Vinyard Chicks. I really believe you would like them also.
Hello everybody! Today in this video we're going to be making St. Joseph Zeppoli, or if you're Italian, Zeppoli di San Giuseppe. This is a traditional pastry that is made for St. Joseph's Day, which is March 19th, and basically that means pastries if you're in an Italian household. This pastry is something that grandmas, nanas, or mamas would do for their family on St. Joseph's Day, and it's a traditional pastry. To make zeppoli, it consists of 3 different parts. First, you'll make the custard filling, or the cream, which is pretty much what you put inside of the pastry. In this video, you're going to learn all about Orpington chickens and why we chose them as our chicken for our homestead. I'm KK, and I enjoy sharing what I research to help make homesteading easier. Thank you so much for being here. Hey there, everybody. Today I'm going to go over a few key facts as to why you should get Indian runner ducks.
I was amazed. There's a bud. This is amazing. Okay, so this is day 10. And here we have a watermelon, and the cotyledons have opened up. These leaves are called cotyledons.